Want to know why your AI still sounds like AI, no matter how good your prompt is? It's not the prompt, it's the fact that you haven't truly trained it with your voice and your business. Here's the thing, almost nobody outside my community knows. You can teach Claude your entire business once and never explain yourself again. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Picture this. You open Claude. You don't type who you are. You don't paste your offers. You don't explain your customer or beg it to sound like you. You just ask for a piece of content and it comes back in your voice, written for your exact client, aligned to your actual strengths. First try. That's not a fantasy. That's a business operating system. And that's exactly what we're building this week inside my live Claude Masterclass. Here's where it gets good. We start with a personalized strengths assessment, so Claude knows your natural strengths. Then your voice DNA, so it sounds like you. Then your ideal client, so it knows who it's talking to and their biggest pain points. But here's the best part. I give you skills to load into Claude, and we start creating your business operating system. Projects becomes the permanent home where your whole business lives. Skills give Claude the power to actually do your work on command. You build it once, you use it forever. That's the difference between an AI that knows about your business and an AI that works inside it. That's the moment everything changes. Are you ready to join the stars to grab this 4-part series? Try it for 1 month, 4 classes for $33. See you on the inside.